Uh-oh. Look at that. Got them on me too. So. Alright, we gotta go find us some boxes. There we go. Let's go this way. Oh, you'll get kicked out.
No, you'll get kicked out.
No, they won't kick out the famous Yappy Beeman, will they? Do you think they would?
Yes, they will.
Why will they kick us out? Because I got a camera?
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright. Does that look like a good enough box?
How about that one?
Huh?
That's a good box. Very big one.
Tough tote?
Yes.
That does look like a good one, but I don't like that one.
What, too big?
Huh?
What, too big?
Yeah, let's keep going. We don't need a big one. That's $14. They got these gray ones that are just like cheap. Alright. Hang on, right here, buddy. That's what I'm looking for. I think this will work.
Oh.
Alright. Let's see. We're in a hurry.
$6?
$6 or $7. There's 32 in there. 5-gallon bucket. 5-gallon heavy-duty tote bucket. I'm telling you what, dude. This is pretty cool.
I was actually looking at that.
That is really pretty cool.
I'll carry it.
Huh?
I'll carry it. It's got a handle.
You like that?
Yeah.
It's got a handle?
Yeah, because I can use this to carry sand.
I mean, we can make swarm traps out of these. For serious. Alright. It's called job security for somebody. Alright, let's go get 2 of these. You gonna carry them both?
Yes.
Alright, take off and get it. I smell a little.
I'm strong, eh?
The future bee man who hates bees.
Yes, I hate them.
Well, you don't have to be so happy about it. You need some help?
No, I'm good.
I mean, we seriously just left the doctor, so Mr. Junior Bee Man here got a fish hook stuck in his hand
Open.
accidentally. We had to go and get that pulled out. Once we got the fish hook out, now he's feeling better. I got a phone call for 2 swarms in Hoke's Bluff. So, all right, let's get these paid for, dude. Come on. All right, you got them both? All right. So, $10 right at, with tax, $10 a piece for both of those. All right, let's go ahead and throw those things up in the truck.
And never mind, you can have your quarterback.
Check it out, man. It is a beautiful day for some swarms. What do you think?
And a beautiful day for not getting hooked by a...
All right. You ain't lying. Put them up in there. That's all my stuff for removing bees. All right. There's one of them. Come on. There's the other one. Yappy Beeman. So we were fishing today, and Mr. Junior Beeman got a hook stuck in his finger. Show him your thumb. All right. Yeah, right there. We tried to back it out, couldn't get it out, so a doctor's visit. They poked a little needle in it and got him all worked up. But anyway, he's better now, ain't you, Junior Beeman? So we're headed to Hoke's Bluff, Alabama.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Main Street.
All right, I'm here. I see him already, but I'm gonna loop around in this yard because I gotta be careful where we go. We got 2 swarms over here, dude. I wonder if they came out of that tree.
This tree?
Yeah. There's one right there. There's one right there. We got 2 swarms right here, buddy. You gonna help me?
No.
Come on. This tree right here is prime candidate to have a beehive in it. Look at how old that base is. Oh yeah. I know, bad lighting, but right there, that's where it is right there. Right there. Oh, that's where the bees are coming out of, Zach. This is a bee tree. All right, so this tree's got bees in it. But when I walk over here and I see 2 swarms, check that thing out. It's not real big. Hey, girl. This one is not that big. Guess what? Unmated queen. Maybe a mated queen, but most likely an unmated queen. Why do you say that, Yappy? Because of the size. And the fact that there's 2 of them, these are probably secondary swarms from the main one that came out of that tree. All right, Zach, come on, dude. Let's get our boxes. Yappy Beeman. There's box number 1. Let's get the other box. Queen cage. Queen cage. But I don't have tops, so napkin it is. And nothing ever easy. All right. Let's see here. How you girls doing? Are you in a good mood? The customer has told me that they have been hanging here for a couple of days. They are in a good mood. All right. See a queen in there yet? I don't either. All right, so let's get it shook. They are very calm. Nah, they're good.
I had my boots on, I'll be coming over here quick.
No, that's okay, buddy. They're still doing really good. Check it out.
Oh.
You ain't gonna move, buddy. Just stand there. I promise you, they aren't gonna sting the junior bee man. See how they're walking on me? I still don't see our queen yet, but now they're fanning, telling all the rest of them, hey, come get in this box.
Take your camera, take your camera.
All right, so still don't see a queen yet. All right, now let's see if we can find our queen now. I don't have to catch her because once I got her in the box, there's a drone. All right, pretty cool. That's a good size starter right there. We'll put those in a nuke and let them get going first. They'll be just fine. Let's give them some sticks. Uh-oh. Look at that. Got them on me too. So. All right. This one's going to be a little bit easier. Actually, it's going to be a lot easier. Get off the camera.
Get away.
Hey, girls. You ready, Zach?
Yeah. Good action. Okay, now stand back.
There's swarm number 2. Alright, let's watch for it. I got bees all over me. Look at that, check it out. Check it out, even like me. Thank you, girls. These are some cool bees. Let me see, they're like orientating some yappy pheromones. Come on. Where's your mama? That's a drone. The drones don't have stingers. Check it out. Look at a rounded butt. Hey, babies. Where's your mama? Where's your mama? Okay. Well, that's good enough. And here's swarm number 2. I was curious if we can see her walking on a wall somewhere, maybe. Still got bees on me. Come on, y'all, get in the box. All right. Ow! One last check that our queen is not right here. One last check. That's a drone. Okay. She's not right there. All right. I don't see her. Good deal. All right, I got everybody set up for tonight. Look at there they are. There's one of them. Gotta have air vent going up and through there. I mean, I can't leave that closed for tonight. And then Here's the other one. Look at all them bees. All that being said, we'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning, girls. It was cool out last night, so they are hanging nice and tight right here on this lid. Whoa. Well, they were until I just bumped it like a knucklehead. The bulk of that is hanging there. When the bees get cold, they tend to cluster in together. And you just made my day so much easier, ladies. Good morning. Now watch this. Oh well. Now, let's give them some room to spread out. You can already hear them starting to fan. We need one more frame. Now we still had a little bit that fell in there. I don't want all this trash in my hive, right? I don't need that. There's that. So I kind of concluded that, well, at the end of all this fun and excitement, we're going to have 2 unmated queens. I don't believe we're going to have a mated and an unmated. I believe we're going to have 2 unmateds. And look out, no squishy. See that? They're all over. Hey, thank you, Yappy. Hey, where's your queens? Oh! Sorry. Whoops. Sorry. There she is right there. See how small she is? That's a... Oh, yeah. Okay. You stay right there. Oh, let's put you back in here. Right there. Oh, she came on up. Cool. Real careful to put this in there. Perfect. All right, so now I need you guys to get back in there. Come on. Go. Come on. What about hive number 2, Yappy? Well, you thought I was just going to leave you hanging on that one. You guys are so silly. All right, there's hive number 2. What can we do to get hive number 2 in their box? We're going to do the same thing. Let's see here. Let go, girls. Let go. Same thing. Question is, can I get it up here? There we go. There you go. Look at that cluster. Look at that. So our first hive had a nice dark queen in it. She was pretty. Let's just try to work you down here a little bit, nice and slow. See if we can't move you around some. Oh. Come on. That's a good clump right there. Has it got a queen in it? Do we have a queen in this clump? Do you guys see a queen in this clump? There she is, right there. There she is. Now see, this one's a golden queen. That's a golden queen right there. There she goes. There she goes. Get in the box. There you go. Here in about 10 days or so, I'll check back and peek on them. But by then, we should have plenty. And I got tons of drones out here in my yard. So hope you enjoyed that. But battery's going down. I gotta go. Yeah.